Greetings to everyone. My name is Duzwane. I'm from Mutugela district. I'm the Chief Education Specialist for GET. But lucky for me, I'm also responsible for ECD as well as ELITS. Today we are here. It's the 19th of March. We are here in Durban Riverside to attend a branch meeting for curriculum. And to me, and the section and the district where one comes from, this is very important because it aligns with what we are doing as GET. Because part of what we have just discussed and we're still going to discuss here, it's the issues of reading and how important reading is, especially because these days we're not only looking at reading per se, but reading for meaning. But over and above, which is again very important, is that we mentioned issues of MTBBE, your mother tongue based, mother tongue bilingual based education, which is very important because it touches on your maths and your NS, especially when these learners are now in grade 4 as well as in grade 5. So these are the issues that we are going to discuss here, especially with the commissions, but we have already had quite a number of presentations, and we are so sure as a district that this is going to assist us because it will fall into our planning, because we've already touched on these things, and we are going to get more information here, which will then assist us moving forward as the year unfolds. So we are looking forward to, this is day 1, and then tomorrow it will be day 2, which is commissions. And for now, thank you so much.